For enterprise organizations, extensibility isn't optional, it's essential. Every business has unique processes, integrations, and experiences that go far beyond what any platform can deliver out of the box. But in a SaaS world, extensibility can no longer mean modifying the core platform. That approach doesn't scale and it doesn't survive continuous innovation. Sitecore AI takes a different approach. It's built as a composed, extensible platform where you extend through well-defined extension points, event-driven integrations, and a modern developer ecosystem. This allows you to adapt the platform to your business without breaking upgrade path, without creating technical debt, and without slowing down innovation. In this series, I'll show you how to design and build those extensions. Let's get started. To understand how extensibility works in Sitecore AI, we need to look at the bigger picture. Sitecore Studio is the unified framework that allows marketers and developers to extend, integrate, and innovate on Sitecore AI safely, securely, and at scale. It brings together 4 key pillars. App Studio, where custom and public apps are built and managed. Agentic Studio, where AI agents are designed and governed. Marketplace, where apps are discovered, shared, and installed. And Sitecore Connect, where your enterprise systems are integrated in a no-to-low-code way. Together, these form a complete extensibility suite, giving you the flexibility to adapt Sitecore AI to your business without compromising the benefits of SaaS. In this series, we'll focus on 2 key areas: App Studio and Marketplace, where you build, publish, and activate extensions that run directly inside Sitecore AI. Sitecore AI is a customizable SaaS platform where you not only build the web application or website utilizing the content and layout from the CMS, but also customize the way you work inside the CMS. This is what we call custom apps, a way to build UI customizations and provision that to your Sitecore AI instance. The equivalent to custom apps is Marketplace, where you can offer extensions to the public and browse apps that someone else built and just install it to your or your customer's environment. Custom apps are private, tailor-made solutions built specifically for individual customers or selected organizations. For example, if a customer needs an integration with their ERP system or a unique workflow automation, a custom app can be built just for them, solving their specific challenge. Custom apps offer the ability to support tailored workflows and needs. Of course, custom apps can also be offered to more than one organization. Marketplace can be understood like an app store. You'll find ready-to-use solutions available for all Sitecore AI customers. Think of them as plug-and-play apps you can browse, install, and use immediately to extend your Sitecore AI platform. To offer a Marketplace app, you need to cover hosting and support. Before your app can be listed on the Marketplace, it undergoes an approval process by Sitecore. In this approval process, Sitecore checks if the developer profile is filled properly with your or your company's details. Additionally, Sitecore checks the app for submission completeness. Also regarding the icon, screenshots, and logo, we check the UI consistency, mobile responsiveness, and functionality through a demo walkthrough. The Marketplace is a good option to offer solutions to a broader audience. It creates reach and visibility of your brand. You can offer your app in a free, freemium, or paid tier. The good thing is, no matter if you want to deliver your app through Marketplace publicly or as a custom app, the apps will be built in the exact same way. The delivery model is handled separately, so it is just a matter of how you register your app. Extension points mark the places where you can integrate your innovation with the Sitecore AI ecosystem. Think of them as a predefined integration spot within Sitecore AI, where your apps can live and deliver value seamlessly. There are 5 key extension points available in Sitecore AI, 1 in Cloud Portal and 4 in Sitecore AI. Let's have a look in more detail. The standalone extension point allows you to launch your app directly from the Sitecore Cloud Portal, completely independent of Sitecore AI. This is perfect for solutions that serve multiple Sitecore products. So in Cloud Portal, you will find these apps listed under Apps and they open in full screen. The full screen extension point is designed for apps that need a deep immersive cross-site experience inside Sitecore AI. Unlike standalone apps, which live in the cloud portal, full-screen apps are embedded directly into the Sitecore AI interface. This means your app feels like a native part of the platform with access to context and navigation. Page Context Panel is all about delivering real-time context-aware insights right where content authors work, in the Sitecore AI page builder. This extension point adds a dynamic panel on the left-hand side, giving your app the ability to respond to the page currently being edited. Why is this powerful? Because it keeps editors in their flow. Instead of switching between tools, they get actionable insights and guidance right at their fingertips. The custom field extension point is all about giving you the ability to inject custom input directly into the Sitecore AI page builder. These fields can appear in the left-hand panel for page-level content or in the right-hand panel for individual content items like components. Why is this powerful? Because it lets you extend the authoring experience in a way that are highly tailored to your customers' needs. For example, integrating third-party data, like selecting assets from a DAM or selecting from a set of icons. Last but not least, the Dashboard Widget extension point allows you to surface modular widgets directly on the Sitecore AI dashboard. Dashboard widgets are perfect visualizing insights. In a SaaS platform, extension points cannot control the core, but they can listen and react. So the platform tells us when something happens through events. Our apps listen to those events and react in real time. Imagine you build an app for the Page Context Panel extension, for example, displaying analytics data of that particular page. Once the page is changed, you want to adjust the analytics data accordingly. There are 3 events available you can subscribe to. Page event. This way, your app receives real-time updates when the Sitecore AI user changes to a different version or language of the current page or opens a different page. Page layout change. A layout change occurs when, for example, the Sitecore AI user adds, moves or removes a component or configures the layout properties of the component. And field change. A field change occurs when, for example, the Sitecore AI user modifies, clears or resets the value of a content item field or a page field. All these are applicable to the page builder only. Let's talk about the tools that Sitecore provides. We serve you with a marketplace SDK. The SDK contains a client package, an XMC package and an AI package to support general interactions with Cloud Portal, Sitecore AI, the brand kit, but also authentication and security. The Marketplace Starter Kit can be downloaded from the Blok registry using a CLI command. This starter kit is the best starting point for any custom app or marketplace implementation. It contains sample code to prove that you have access to Sitecore AI and everything is working correctly. Depending on if you want client-side or server-side authentication, pick the right command downloading the related starter kit. Talking about Blok. Blok provides the design system so you do not have to take care about how elements look like. Using the Blok design system, it always blends in consistently with Sitecore AI. Additionally, Blok provides a component registry, meaning installable code fragments. I used the registry to download the starter kit earlier. With the Blok MCP server in addition, you make sure all code created using AI considers the correct styling. Sitecore also provides a couple of open source sample implementations through the Sitecore GitHub account. The Marketplace Starter provides basic implementations of each extension point. The Marketplace Google Analytics shows a page context panel integration, bringing Google Analytics insights into the page builder. The Marketplace Icon Picker showcases a custom field extension implementation that integrates a third-party icon library. Extensibility is critical for enterprise companies. Your platform has to adapt to your processes, your systems, and your workflows, not the other way around. In Sitecore AI, extensibility happens through clearly defined extension points and events. That's how you embed functionality into the product experience, respond to changes, and integrate with other systems. You're not starting from scratch. Sitecore provides a full developer toolkit, including SDKs, starter kits, the Blok design system and MCPs to help you build faster and stay consistent with the platform. In the next video, we'll put that into practice and register your first custom app.